Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So I'm just walking home from uni. I've only been in for an hour this morning. We had like an introduction talk to like second year, so it's kind of a little bit scary. It's made me feel really like pressured. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm quite like overwhelmed by it all. I'll chat to you more when I get home because I'm freezing. Right, so I'm now back at home. I want to be a little bit quiet because the walls are thin and the other two might be asleep. But yeah, it's now about 10 o'clock-ish and I've just come back. I'm having breakfast now. I didn't have time to have any before I left, which is stupid, but I was only out for an hour, so it wasn't like I needed that much energy, and it was only an introduction talk as well, so I wasn't really taking in much information. It was just like an overview of the year. But yeah, I'm just about to make some breakfast. I'm going to be having the Alpro vanilla yogurt. I'm going to have some pineapple separately. I'm having an Alpro yogurt. I'm going to cut up some banana, and I've got some chia seeds here as well. I'm just going to make like a little mini yogurt bowl. Woohoo! I've made myself a little healthy breakfast. I'm going to have this, and then I'm going to have the rest of these pineapple chunks before they go all out of date and funny. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. Yeah, my hair is all. Oh, whoa! I look like a who. So we're now terrified because my course leader just told us that employability is going to come as a massive factor. Well, for my course anyway, like in one of my modules, but just generally we're just stressed about employability. And I'm not doing anything about it to help it.
I need to do some volunteering.
Yeah.
But I just can't find it anywhere.
What sort of thing? Like, does it have to be related to your course?
No. I just want to do some.
Also volunteer. Well, we'll do. I got an email from that RAG society group thing. We could do something. We could just do something with them. Yeah, we need to do that. We also need to buy our Halloween wristband.
I need to find an internship for next summer or something.
That's what I want to do. We could stay here. But internships pay you, don't they?
Yeah. Sometimes.
If not, how are we going to do it? Right, so it is very bright, very bright. Whoa. Pull this down a little bit. Right, so I have just had a shower and I'm getting ready because me and Carrie are going to have a shoot day. I'm going to pop you on a tripod actually. One sec. Right, so I'm not sure if you are aware, but some of you might know, but I'm actually a blogger as well as doing YouTube. I've been blogging for almost 5 years now. I create content that I enjoy and been offered like quite a lot of opportunities over the past couple of years with my blog, and I'm really happy with how it's going, and I want to put more effort into my photos and stuff. That's why me and Carrie we did this like last like uni year. We went out for like a shoot day and like shot loads of outfits, and we're going to do like a big one today where we shoot lots of outfits to get a lot of content in one day, photos wise. So I'm just getting ready for that. I want to like shoot all of my autumn jumpers and things like that. You'll be able to see the photos on Instagram if you are interested, or on my blog within the next few weeks. Yeah, I just feel like I want to put more effort into my blog again. Now that I'm back at uni, I have more time to spend like writing in my spare time, and it's just something that I've always enjoyed and always kept up like since I started. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now in case anyone cares, and I'll show you some locations that we go to in case anyone just wants to go there for pictures anyway. You don't obviously have to be a blogger to go take photos, but yeah, just in case anyone's interested in where some photogenic places in Lincoln are. So me and Carrie are out shooting, just did our first outfit. Huh? You're not really feeling it, are you?
No, but it was just a difficult outfit to shoot, to be honest.
No,
it makes me look fat.
It doesn't. Stop. No, we're just going to have a little shoot day. I kind of spoke about it earlier, but not in too much detail, but we've tried to get some outfits together quickly because we were quite busy today, weren't we? We were like in a rush for everything. But yeah, I'll show you next time. The location we were just at is kind of near my house. I don't really want to show it too much, to be honest, but I'll show you some when we get into Lincoln, because I said it'll be nice for other people to get pickies. That is so cute, isn't it? I don't know if they're waiting for us or not.
We can actually finally have photos together as well.
Yeah.
Get, like, full, like,
yes. So Carrie, what are you wearing?
This little cameo raised dress on.
Woohoo!
That comes with Charlotte's shoes.
Woohoo!
Charlotte's bag.
Woohoo! We're both shooting collaborations actually, yeah. Look like April.
Oh wait, it's really dark. Go the other way.
Bit,
Oh, there we go.
out there for
the streets.
But it's gonna have to do because I'm shooting this out.
It's cute. I'm videoing you.
Oh.
For your channel.
Is it? Take the photo. You video. Here I am with Carrie in Starbucks. We've just devoured a chocolate marble cake. Okay, help yourself. I've got a peach green iced tea and Carrie has an iced latte with a caramel shot. Delicious. I'm running the errands for everyone else, getting everyone. I got Megan, oh god, I got Megan this notebook from Poundland, and then I've got some medicine in there. Smarties for, pink Smarties for a treat, even though I don't need to be treated any more than I already am. Oh, thank you. Yeah, just came for a little Starbucks date. Goals! Okay, right, so I am back from shooting with Carrie. It was so fun. Like, I love just going out with Carrie. She's like taking photos with Carrie and just hanging out with Carrie because she is like the exact same as me. We're so similar. I'll leave her Instagram, her blog and her YouTube channel down below in case any of you guys want to check her out, because we have very similar tastes. We are just very similar people just generally, so if you want to go check her out, I'll leave her links down below. But now I'm just going to remove all my makeup, make some dinner, and then me and Megan are heading off to the gym again. Hat's still feeling very ill, bless her, but I just got her some medicine from town, so hopefully that helps her get better soon. And yeah, I just need to sort of plan some stuff out as well. I'm really motivated with my blog at the minute. Like, I just want to improve my content so much because I haven't been uploading as much, and obviously it's where I will start. It's a platform I started out and have grown the most, so I want to like put in more effort with it because it's like why I'm like where I am today, if you know what I mean. That sounds so stupid, but it's helped me like with my other platforms. So yeah, I need to work on my blog a little bit more, and I've got some really exciting collaborations coming up, so yeah, I just want to put 100% more effort into it. And it's good because me and Carrie are very similar, and we both want to get content done. Like, we're happy to help each other out, and yeah, I don't know, I'm just very motivated at the minute. But I just thought I'd do a little mini skincare routine in case any of you guys are wondering what I've been using. So I literally alternate between these two cleansers because they're my two favourite. I've almost finished this one, so I might actually use it up, so then I only have one cleanser. But it's the Neutrogena Hydro Boost cleanser, and it's like a very milky, like dewy formula, which I love. And then the Body Shop Vitamin E Cream Cleanser is also one of my favourites, but I'm going to use the Neutrogena one just to remove my makeup and cleanse. This just feels so nice on the face. I really like the smell as well. Like, I don't think it's supposed to be like strong scented, but I just really like the smell of it, to be honest. The next step in my like daily skincare routine is toning. So I use the Body Shop British Rose Petal Soft Gel Toner. So it has like these cute little rose petals in. It's like golden and it just feels amazing on the skin. So I just put like a tiny little blob on my cotton pad and then just rub it all over the face. And it also takes off, it like sort of goes a deeper layer into the skin and gets any of the makeup that's like gone into my pores further that the cleanser doesn't get off. My skin is so dry at the minute. My skin's doing well in terms of like being clear. Like, I haven't really got any spots. I'm going to speak too soon, I know, but it is so dry at the minute because of the weather. It's really bad. When I like go in and do like a proper deep skincare routine, I'll use like a face mask, but at the minute I just use a cleanser, toner, then I go in with my Body Shop Oils of Life facial oil, which is absolutely amazing for my dry skin, and then I finish off with a moisturizer. But I add a few extra steps when I'm doing like a full proper skincare routine, like with or like a face mask and the serums and bits and pieces like that. That oil is so good for my skin. Also, this is really good. It's from a brand called Sense with like 2 S's, and it's one of their facial cleansers. I use this when I like go for a full deep skincare routine, and it's like, it vibrates. They're really good. I actually love them. Like I didn't think these would actually make a difference, but they are really good at, again, getting into all of your pores and getting out all the dirty shite. Yeah, and then the oh god, I'm putting the oil everywhere. And then the moisturiser I have been loving at the minute is the Clinique Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief Moisturiser, which is a bit pricier, but 100% worth it because you can get it in like a little set with an eye serum and one other thing that I can't remember, but such a good set. Like I'd highly recommend it, and it's worth the money rather than just buying the full size on its own. So yeah, if you're like me and you struggle with dry skin, Clinique are really amazing if you're willing to pay a little bit more, but I know that it's super pricey, and I actually got given it as a set. Like I didn't pay for it myself, but I do 100% think I'd buy it like out for my own money, because of how good it is and how amazing it's been on my skin. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, Kiko do really good skincare, and they have the Hydra Pro Glow, which is like a glowing cream. It's a moisturising cream, which is slightly different, but it's also really good, and it's slightly cheaper than the Clinique one. But yeah, that's my little skincare routine. I'm going to tie my hair up. It feels so nice because I just washed it with one of my nice shampoos. You can definitely tell when you use like Head and Shoulders. Like that's one of my favourite hair care brands that always revive my hair when it's really shitty and dry. Just love it. Me and Carrie were also saying, like, everyone in my family would kill me if I cut off my hair, but I think I would suit, like, after I tucked it into my jacket earlier, and like this length hair, like not too short, like not like a bob, but like just to here, I'd get it balayaged, and I feel like it would be a new me. I don't know, I'm just quite feeling like getting a chop, but I do love my long hair. It's just I don't really do anything with it, so it always looks really ugly because I can't be asked to style it because it's so long and it takes ages. It's like time consuming, so that's why I'm considering cutting it a bit. I'm definitely getting it balayaged at some point. I'm just waiting for the student loan to drop and for me to get paid in October, and then I'm gonna finally do it. I think I might go to Tony and Guy and like treat myself because I never get my hair done. I always leave it ages so that my hair can grow before I go and get another haircut, but I literally want to change my hair up so much. Also hate how tangled these necklaces get. They're from Accessorising, in case anyone was wondering. Love it. The little cross and the little coin. I'm gonna go make some food. I think I'm gonna use my hot like Nando's coating over my chicken that I bought yesterday. Very excited for that. And then we're gonna go to the gym after to burn it all off.
This is a Ryan Little production.
Right, so I'm just about to go to bed, but I have been organising my diary. I just thought I'd give you a quick like overview in case anyone is wondering like how I organise my like planner. So this one is one from Poundland that a few people have asked me about, and yeah, I just plan my whole life in one planner, and then I have separate planners for each thing individually, if that makes sense, because I just love being super organised and having loads of different diaries. So this is my academic year diary for 2018 to 2019. I got the lilac colour, but there's also baby blue and baby pink, and then this is like an overview of what my week looks like. So this is week 1, the current week we're in. I have a lot of colours and I'll explain them. So blue is for lectures, seminars, anything that's to do with uni, like going in, like compulsory things that I have to go to throughout the week. Then I have pink, which is kind of weird on camera, but I've got like the pastel highlighters and they're so cute. Pink is anything fun, so obviously gym isn't really fun, but it's things that I'm doing like extra that I'm choosing to do, if you know what I mean. So I had like a photo shoot day with Carrie today, student loan comes in tomorrow, I'm going town tomorrow as well, then I'm meeting a girl on my course later on in the week, and I've also got a musical theatre taster session also. And then green bits are like boring, like errandy things that I have to do. Obviously texting my mum's not an errand, but I had to ask her about my calculator. Got washing to do tomorrow. I need to call the doctors on Thursday. And then purple, which is my favourite and I'm currently working on, is all my blog and YouTube stuff. So I'm going to be filming a video on Thursday. I'm going to be writing 2 blog posts during the week, but I need to sort out what videos I'm doing and what people want to see. So if there's anything you do want to see on my channel, make sure you comment down below if there's anything specific you want to see. But yeah, I just thought I'd show you a little bit into my organisation. I did a very similar thing last year, but obviously different colours. I hope that has helped. I know a few people have been asking me how I'm organising myself this year, and I will be telling you as I go along. Make sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's vlog. Subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new vlog. Bye.